Now we are going to see question number 5 in exercise 1.1. If A is equal to 1 by 9 into 3 by 3 matrix given, we want to prove that A inverse is equal to A transpose. So, the first thing I am going to prove A inverse is equal to A transpose. What is the meaning? For this one, the first step, by using this A, we can calculate A inverse and then A transpose. Both values must be equal. That is the first point. Actually, that is not so easy. So, I am going to use some other method, shortcut method to find this. So, A inverse is equal to A transpose. This is to prove. I am going to pre-multiplying by A. So, what will happen? Pre-multiplying means in the first place. Front side I am going to multiplying. A into A inverse is equal to A into A transpose. A into A inverse is I, that is equal to A into A transpose. So, it is enough to prove A into A transpose is equal to I. So, this is very easy comparing with A inverse is equal to A transpose. Now, for that one, I am going to start with A into A transpose. A matrix I am writing as it is 1 by 9 into the given matrix. Into A transpose means transpose of this matrix 1 by 9, no change, it will come as it is. Here the first row becomes first column, second row becomes second column, third row becomes third column. Now 1 by 9 into 1 by 9 becomes 1 by 9 into 9 is 81. First row becomes, that is multiply it, first row with first column, that is row with column multiplication. First row with first column means minus 8 into minus 8 is 64, 1 into 1 is plus 1, 4 into 4 is plus 16. First row with the second column, minus 8 into 4 is minus 32, plus 1 into 4 is 4, 4 into 7 is 28. First row with the second column, minus 1 into minus 8 into 1 is minus 8, plus 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, 4 into 4 is 16. Similarly, second row with first column, multiply it. Second row with second column. Second row with first column, that is 4 into minus 8, minus 32, 4 into 1 plus 4, 7 into 4 plus 28. Second row with the second column, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 4 plus 16, 7 into 7 plus 49. Second row with last column, 4 into 1, 4, plus 4 into minus 8 is minus 32, 7 into 4 is 28. Then third row with first column, 1 into minus 8 is minus 8, minus 8 into 1 is minus 8, 4 into 4 is plus 16. Then last row with second column, 1 into 4 is 4, minus 8 into 4 is minus 32, plus 4 into 7 is plus 28. Then last row with the last column, 1 into 1 is 1, minus 8 into minus 8 is plus 64, plus 4 into 4 is plus 16. Now simplify 1 by 81 into, add this one, you will get 81. This is minus 32 plus 32 get cancelled. Minus 16 plus 16 also 0 get cancelled. Minus 32 plus 32 becomes 0. These three terms if you add you will get 81. This is 32 minus 32 0. This is minus 16 plus 16 0. This is 32 minus 32 0. This is becomes 81. Now I am going to taking 81 outside. You will get 81 by 81 into 100 010 001. Get cancel. You will get this matrix only will come. That is called I. That is A into A transpose is equal to I. Which implies, what is the meaning? The proof A inverse gives A transpose. That only we want to prove. Hence, prove. That's all.